Introducing the Heritage range, a selection of 4 100% cotton and OBA-free fine art papers that join our award-winning paper, Museum Heritage. Watercolour Rag 310 has a heavily textured surface and a natural white base. Prints exude quality with pin-sharp detail and high colour consistency, whilst the watercolour style texture adds life to fine art images and traditional artwork reproductions.
Here we have the Watercolour Rag 310 with pin-sharp detail, an exquisite colour consistency and a wonderful, luxurious texture to it.
Colour and detail couldn't be better. And for this image, with the paper used and the editing as it is, you could quite easily think that this had been painted.
Colours wise, detail wise, tone wise, contrast wise, bang on, absolutely spot on, absolutely stunning.